Howdy. Since you're here, I'm guessing you're thinking about building your own app. And you probably have some questions like, what programming language should I use? How on earth do you build an app from scratch? Seriously, where do I even start? Well, friend, you've knocked on the right door. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build beautiful apps with Dart and Flutter that run everywhere. I'm Eric from the Dart and Flutter teams, and I'm so glad you're here. So let's start with the big picture. What are these technologies? First, Dart. Dart is a programming language created by Google, designed and optimized for writing client apps that run everywhere. It's a modern, soundly typed, multi-paradigm language designed to feel familiar to anyone coming from a curly brace language, like Java, JavaScript, or Kotlin. One of the things that developers tend to love about Dart is the developer experience. Dart has been optimized not only for app performance, but for your performance as well. Dart has language features designed to make you happy and productive, like sound type safety with great inference, so you get the safety of types, but the brevity of a scripting language. One of Dart's superpowers is that it's truly multi-platform. Dart compiles to JavaScript and WASM for the web, or native machine code for mobile and desktop apps, servers, and CLIs. You can use Dart across your entire technology stack. You'll learn everything that makes Dart great in the next few videos. And Dart powers Flutter, Google's open source UI toolkit for building beautiful, natively compiled applications from a single codebase. It provides all the tools, components, and rendering power you need to bring your vision to life. When you're building a Flutter app, you're writing all Dart code all the time. There's no templating or style language involved. Flutter is unique in that it bypasses native components and draws every pixel to the screen itself. Combined with Dart's compilation to native machine code, with no runtime interpretation, your Flutter app becomes one optimized, high-performance package. By combining Dart's compiler with Flutter's control over the entire rendering stack, you get a truly multi-platform toolkit. Flutter officially supports iOS, Android, and the web, and macOS, Windows, and Linux, all from one codebase. And these days, companies are even running Flutter apps on smart appliances and cars, kiosks, and TVs. You're at the beginning of a tutorial that spans the Dart and Flutter websites and walks through creating multiple apps with hands-on coding lessons. These lessons also contain videos where members of the Dart and Flutter teams will guide you through what these technologies are and how they work. Together, Dart and Flutter give you everything you need to build incredible apps, and we'll be here to guide you from Flutter curious to expert app builder.